最近、あるラジオ番組の選曲リストを見ていて、少し面白いことに気づきました。音楽のプロとして毎日膨大な数の曲に触れている DJ やキュレーターが、それぞれ別の場所で活動しているにもかかわらず、藤井風の楽曲を選んでいる場面が何度も見つかるんです。もちろん、事前に相談しているわけではありません。それでも結果として同じアーティストの曲に手が伸びる。その現象には少し興味を惹かれました。DJ の仕事は単に好きな曲を流すことではありません。その瞬間の空気や流れ、前後の曲との関係まで考えながら選曲します。だからこそ、何百曲、何千曲という候補の中から自然に同じ曲へたどり着くことには意味があります。藤井風の音楽には不思議な特徴があります。ピアノを中心にしながらも R&B やソウル、ポップス、ジャズなど様々な要素が自然に混ざり合っています。そしてどこか日本的でありながら同時に国籍を感じさせない響きも持っています。例えば海外のリスナーが聞いても違和感がない。一方で日本語の持つ繊細なニュアンスもしっかり残っている。このバランスは簡単なようでいて、実はかなり珍しいものです。だから DJ にとっても扱いやすいのかもしれません。静かな時間にも合うし、人が集まる空間にも馴染む。前後にどんなジャンルの曲を置いても自然につながることが多い。特に死ぬのがいいわよが海外で大きく広がった後も評価されたのは一曲だけではありませんでした。アルバム全体やライブパフォーマンス、音楽性そのものに関心を持つ人が増えていったのです。ここで面白いのは藤井風の音楽が強く主張しているようでいて、実際には聴き手の中へ静かに入り込んでいくことです。だから気づかないうちに選んでしまう。まるで頭の中のジュークボックスを開いたとき、自然とその曲が前の方に置かれているような感覚です。そして複数のプロフェッショナルが別々の場所で同じ反応を示していること自体が、彼の音楽が持つ独特な引力を静かに物語っているように思います。
You know, it is not the big headline or performance making moment that tell you how much an artist really means to people. Recently, I saw a short clips from a music event. It was over almost as quickly as it began, but one small exchange my attention. A couple of high respected radio personalities were being interviewed and were asked a simple question: what the song playing in your head right now? Now, for most of us, that's an easy question, but these are people who spend their life listening to music every day. They exposed to new release, classic records, international hits, and artists from every possible genre. Their answer could be have been anything, but one of them immediately said Fuji Kaze. No pause, no second thought, just a natural, intensive answer. And honestly, I thinking that's what makes the moment so interesting. Because when music professionals who have heard thousands upon thousands of songs still find themselves thinking about the same artist, it says something not about popularity or chart position but about connection. There are songs we choose to listen to, and then there are songs that somehow choose us. The kind of show up unexpected when we are walking alone, driving at night, and sitting quietly in our thoughts. For many listeners, Fujikaze music seems to work that way. His songs do not shout for attention, they do not rely on complicated tricks. Instead, they create a feelings that's difficult to explain but easy to recognize. Maybe that's why his music continues to resonate with many different people around the world, and perhaps that's a moment like stand out. Not because a famous radio host mentioned his name, but because his answer felt completely genuine. In that brief second, there was no analyze, no ranking, no industry decision, just a spontaneous reaction from someone whose life revolves around music. Sometimes those unplanned moments reveal more than any interview ever could. They remind us that beyond numbers, awards, and headlines, great music leaves a lasting imprint. And after years, when trends have changed, new artists have taken center stage, these medleys still find a way to quietly return. Maybe that is a sign of music that truly matters. So if you like this update, subscribe to the channel.